Now let's look through some of the geometry questions that I had assigned you for work yesterday. Now there's quite a lot of work here, so I understand if you didn't get it through it all, we may not even go through all of the solutions today. Some of them might be in class on Monday, where you can ask me questions as well. So looking here in this diagram, they tell us the measure of certain angles. So the angle at A, remember the center letter is the one that tells us where that angle is. The angle at C, which angle at C? DCE. So there we go. ABC is x plus y. BCA is, so the other angle at C, BCA, 3x, they filled everything in anyway. So they want us to find the values of x and the values of y. So the first piece of information we have is our vertically opposite angles. So write down the information that we have. 3x plus y is equal to 60. And what else do we know? We know that all three of those angles will add up to 180 degrees. So the second piece of information is that x plus y plus 3x plus y is equal to 180, take away the 80. I'm just putting the numbers on the same place at the same time. So then this tidies up to give us 4x plus 2y equals 100, or dividing across by 2, 2x plus y is equal to 50. So there's two equations and two unknowns, and they look just like simultaneous equations because they are, and we can solve them simultaneously. What we'll do is the first equation take away the second equation. So we'll change the signs of the second one, and that will cause y to cancel. So 3x plus y is equal to 60, minus 2x minus y is equal to minus 50. The y's cancel, and we have that x is equal to 10 degrees. Substitute back in. We'll sub into equation 1. It doesn't really matter which one we use. Over here. So 3x plus y is equal to 60. 30 plus y is equal to 60, which means that y is equal to 60 minus 30, 30 degrees. Write down your answer in the correct space to make things easier for the corrector. So there we go. So you use the information that's given in the diagram to set up two simultaneous equations, solve those, and you have your answers. Part B. In this diagram, DE is parallel to FG, parallel to this line here, and they filled in various different measurements onto the diagram as well. If the distance from D to F is x centimeters, find the value of x. So the first thing we're going to do is we know we'll have similar triangles because of the parallel lines. So let's write them out side by side, H, D, E, and the bigger one, H, F, G. Fill in the information that we have. So that's 30, that's 12, that's 5, and this, we don't know it yet. It's not even x, so let's call it something else. Let's call it y for the moment. So if we find that full distance there, we can take 5 away from it, and then we'll find x. Okay, they're already set up with our corresponding sides. Okay, there's our similar angles. And so we can say that y over 5 is equal to 30 over 12. Then cross multiply, and we get 12y is equal to 5 by 30, 150, and y is equal to 150 divided by 12. 150 divided by 12, which is 12.5. And they are in centimeters, 12.5 centimeters, but be careful, that's not the answer. I need to subtract 5 from it. So therefore, x is 12.5 minus 5, which is 7.5 centimeters. Okay, so the similar triangles, if you ever have parallel lines inside a big triangle like that, it makes two similar triangles. Right, I'll do the next question in a separate video.